Does your house absolutely reek? Perhaps your roommate's a chain smoker or just produces a lot of methane gas out of their butt. My roommate does one of those things, so we acquired the GermGuardian 4-in-1 air purifying system. The GermGuardian 4-in-1 air purifying system is the dad bod of air purifiers. It is readily available, affordable, and highly functional. We recently moved into a duplex that smelled just like an ashtray, and we tried everything to get rid of the smell. Cleaning the carpets, cleaning the walls, air fresheners, and nothing worked. So as a last resort, we went online and purchased the GermGuardian 4-in-1 air purifying system to see if it could get rid of the lingering smell in our house. Clean air coming at you!
I think you took out the microphone instead.
The GermGuardian will have to use every one of its filtration layers to rid our home of the smoky smoke. First, the pre-filter and charcoal filter captures large dust particles and pet hair while simultaneously taking care of that stinky odor. Next, the true HEPA filter captures dust and allergens such as household dust, pet dander, mold spores, and plant pollens. Lastly, the UVC light works with titanium dioxide to reduce airborne bacteria, viruses, and volatile organic compounds. Will it defeat the smoky smoke? Keep watching to find out.
After receiving the package, you'll want to get this thing set up. It's super easy. You just pull it out, plop it down, plug it in, you're ready to go. Everything comes fully assembled. To turn it on, there's an analog dial on top that allows you to cycle through three different settings. The first one is a nice white noise, good for sleeping. But then the third one is full power, purify your air, baby, we're rocking and rolling. Additionally, on the top, there is a button to fire on the UV light. You have to have it on to fire up the UV light. Nice. Lastly, on the top, there's an indicator light that'll tell you when to change the filter and the UV bulb. There are a number of different GermGuardian filters that come in the same housing. This one specifically is the AC4825E, which is rated for 153 square feet, aka a 12 by 12 room. In that 12 by 12 room, you can expect that it'll change out the air 4.8 times per hour. The clean air delivery rate, which you can use to compare it to other filters on the market, is based on that room size as well, and for smoke it's 99, dust 118, and pollen 125. Overall, from my research, this is very competitive for the price point, which makes this filter a great value. Another thing that people pointed out that is an issue with other filters on the market is buying a replacement filter is very expensive. For this, that's not the case. The replacement filters for the AC4825E are very affordable and available on Amazon. You can actually order a pack with this and get a small discount. On September 6th, I left a very stinky house, and this came in on September 7th. Jack set it up, got it rolling right away. When I returned on September 10th, it was a world of difference. This does in fact work, and there are lots of Amazon reviews that will attest to its effectiveness. How well does it work? It probably depends on the situation, whether you're dealing with pet, pollen, smoke. I can't guarantee all of those things, but I will say it made a difference for our smoky house. We did have it running basically constantly since we got it, and when able, we made sure to close the doors, lock it in the room so it could do its job. If you'd like to purchase this product, we'll have it linked in the description below. If there's any questions that we didn't answer in the video, please comment those now. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. As always, folks, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.